If you wanna marry me. Is that right? No?
Today's the day.
We are dirty.
We're disgusting. I mentioned in 2 videos ago that we're ready to get our lives back together. And then last video, I went to IKEA. We went to IKEA and we bought way too much stuff. So today, we're gonna be cleaning out our entire house, cleaning up our entire house, decorating, like kind of like sprucing up all of our decorations. We got tons of stuff at IKEA. We're really gonna try and make this apartment a home, a place where we feel inspired again, because we have felt not happy to be here, but it's our fault. Let me show you what we're working with. We're gonna start in the bedroom because it's probably the worst room. Okay, I'm drinking the Dunkin', that's not old. And
all the clothes.
it's not looking too great.
The half-used bed sheet.
You know? All right, first step is my drawers. Noah's clothes are in his closet, so my clothes are everywhere. So I do need to start putting my pants in this since we bought this for my pants. Alright, so let's put everything that goes on the bed for now.
Where do you want to put the clothes? Just in the corner right here?
Yeah, just make a clothes pile. These are definitely dirty.
Yes, adore you all of the time. I like
Not all my hair rose. We're making this house more livable for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. Another hair bow. I don't know if I like it.
Do you like it better over there?
No, I don't know if I like it at all. You're loving that, aren't you? You hate this rug?
We gotta get rid of it.
Okay.
Strong woman.
It's hot. We didn't like the rug. We had a rug in here for a while. Noah hated it this whole time.
I sure did.
And it was too much work, so I think I'm over the rug. So we're gonna try a color scheme in this room, like an orange and green, because the walls are kind of, I don't know. We're making it up as we go.
Yeah, that's the sheets and the cover.
You just gotta take the corner and you stuff it up in here. Maybe like a pop of green would be better. You know, like that.
That's better.
Yeah, it's better. Noah's gonna build our shelf. I'm gonna watch. I'm acting like I know what I'm doing. I have put things together. I put our table together, even though every piece of
Has fallen out.
Oh no, you're.
night and day, if I may.
Everything on the shelf because not only the plants but also the little Buddha we got in Bali. The blue little vase was actually a cheese container from London, and the pretty orange crystal we got in the mountains. Okay, we're exhausted. We haven't even done that much. What we're thinking is this looks good with this. This looks good with this. We don't know if all of it together looks good. I had this idea of like all the different tones of green. This might have to go. This is the only thing that I don't know for sure if it'll match, but I love this pillow. So we are gonna finish the whole room before we decide on this pillow. But we'll see, we'll see. So here's where we're at right now. So we were getting a little cranky, so we took a lunch break. We both forgot to eat breakfast. We just got the Dunkin' coffees this morning, got to work, and then realized all of a sudden it was lunch. Noah had an appointment to go to today, so he had to get ready, and while he got ready, I just like relaxed after lunch and like hung out. But Noah told me to wait till he gets back so we could finish it together, but I kind of want to see if I could finish this room on my own. Oh, I made another coffee in my little wine glass. If you saw this in my IKEA haul, the part 1 of this, I got this cute little cup. You know, after having lunch and like not being so hungry, I don't hate the color combo. It might grow on me. I'm so sorry. I got so dusty. I'm a little nervous. I don't know if that's right. I'm scared. I'm trying to be like as gentle as humanly possible. I gotta figure out what's gonna go up here. We bought these cute little trinkets that were supposed to go up the bed. But now I feel like they're gonna have to go here. I do have an extra lamp. Maybe a lamp? Maybe a lamp. It looks pretty darn good in my opinion. Now, could it change? Yes. I decided to take the rest of the plants for the most part downstairs. And I'm just thinking I'll finish the whole house or apartment, and then if there are leftover plants that like don't have a place, like we'll redistribute them, you know? All right, you walk into the room. Turn around. Boom. I stuck 3 of those little fake plants on the windowsill. You cannot see those, can you? You turn around from the bed, you have the dresser. I put Noah's guitar up here, and then those little trinkets. We might move our desk up here because there's so much extra space. We'll find out in the next video, but this is where it's come to. I feel like it looks really good though. I do feel like the room is a bit empty, so maybe you guys could give me your opinion. Do you think we should move our desk up here into that space? Because you can see down there, our desk is over there, and we've always thought it's really cluttered in this room. Okay, so this is the finished room. Let's not talk about over there. I will get to that tomorrow. But I think it looks really nice. I'm honestly really happy with how it's turned out so far. I love you very much. Subscribe, notifications turned on. Let me know down below about the desk. I'm repeating myself, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.